Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're doing great. So if you're wondering why am I in black and white, it's because I let a random generator pick the eyeshadow palette that I was going to use, and I let it pick out the colors that I was going to use for this look. So if you've seen videos like this before, you know that it could be a hit or it could be a miss. So you have to stay tuned and see what happened. And see what colors it chose. If you're curious to see how this eye look turned out, keep on watching. So I wanted to do something fun. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube doing my random generator picks my colors or picks my makeup, and I thought that was fun because that could be a hit or a miss. It could turn out very horrible or it could turn out passable or even pretty, depending on what you get. So I thought it was fun to see if the makeup gods are with me tonight. My phone wants to update right now. Let me see if I can turn that off. So I have the app here. I don't know if I'm gonna use this palette or which palette should I use? Kaleidos or Black Moon Cosmetics? Since I can't decide, I will let the app choose for me. And it's just two numbers, so I'm gonna choose number generator. It's random. And that's an ad. Here we go. And it chose two. And I didn't assign them. Hello, you're supposed to assign the palettes first. Kaleidos is gonna be number 1. This is the first time I do this, okay? Back off. That's number 1. And Urban Myth is number 2. Okay, now I can do it. Number 2. This palette has 10 shades. So I'm gonna put here number 10, and so it could choose. I'm gonna choose around five colors. There's a lot of shimmers here. This could go wrong quickly. Let's see. So again, it would be from 1 through 5, 6 through 10. 10. That's the last shade, which would be this one, Bigfoot, which is this color right here. Horrible swatch, by the way. Let's see what else. It's a good color to deepen whatever I want to deepen. And again, well, I can't choose 10 again, so. Nine. Purple. Chupacabra, it's called. That would be this one.
It was against the rules to excuse myself in the presence of the alpha, but I didn't give a damn.
Why does it keep giving me 10? I'm doing this differently because the other way it wasn't working. So I chose 2 already, and now I just put the names of the shades in here. Let's see the third one. Bloody Mary. I wanted to try that one. I don't know how it's gonna go with. Oh my God. Another ad. Area 51. I wrote Area 52 and it's Area 51. I'm doing this quickly. This is a weird color selection and my phone is ringing. Blooper! Okay, so I have the last one. Okay, let's go.
What the fuck?
No, You already chose that. Hurry up. That is paranormal. These are the colors that I have to work with. Let me clean this off and I'll be right back. I'm gonna start with Bigfoot. I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. And I'm just gonna keep this right here. Gotta say, I would have never paired those colors together. So I don't know how it's gonna look. You know what I mean? We will see. I just noticed I only got 2 mattes. The rest are all shimmers. Gotta make that work. I am going to take the purple one, put that up here. Now I'm going to use my glitter primer, or glitter glue, whatever you want to call it, and put that all over the lid so I can put the shimmers. And try to put all 3 of them there, I guess. I'm going to use the Boogeyman, which is the green one, right here. Clean my brush and go into Paranormal, which is the duochrome that's lilac. Put that right next to it. Plus I'm placing them in a little diagonal situation. Clean my brush again, and I'm gonna use Bloody Mary, which is the red one. Oof, that's pretty. Ooh, those shimmers are good. I'm gonna repeat that on the other eye. Now I'm gonna take Area 51 right in here as a highlight. What I'm going to do now in the lower lash line, I'm going to repeat the purple and the green. Do I want the red? You know what? I'm going to invert them. Put the purple in here and the green out here. Do I want to do that? Yeah, fuck it. Let me do that. And go in with the green. I'm going to connect that brown maroon shade in the outer corner just to connect that. And take an angle brush and take that dark shade and just use it as a liner right here. Let me dust this off. I didn't get any fallout, so that's good. Mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. To my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I finished everything. I used these lashes from Kala. They're my new favorites, which I love them. And for lips, I used the KVD in shade Ruthless. I had fun with that. I would have never, ever pick those 5 colors together. And I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I really like the way it turned out. So I'm glad I did that. The app worked fairly, but at least I didn't have to choose and it chose for me. So that's the best part. I didn't have to break my head thinking, what do I do? What color do I choose? I hate doing that. I literally take more than 10 minutes to decide what colors I want. And then I have to decide how to apply them and where to apply them. So I'm glad it chose the palette for me and it chose the colors for me. So that's good. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.